Hello and welcome to the latest episode of CAVC TV. I'm Emil Evans, Vice Principal of Cardiff and Vale College. This week I'll be talking to you about our extended period of online learning and the latest situation regarding exams and assessments for this academic year. You will have seen that last Friday the Welsh Government Minister for Education announced that all schools and colleges across Wales will remain closed for face-to-face teaching and learning until the February half-term break. Teaching and learning for your course will therefore remain online only or using learning packs provided by your teachers. Your teachers and all our support services continue to be here to support you online as usual. On Friday the 19th of February, the Welsh Government will then announce plans for after February half-term, and we will then update you on those plans for your course via your student email, the My CAVC app, your teachers, and our social media channels. Before I go on to explain the current situation, I want to reassure you that at Cardiff and Vale College, we are absolutely committed to continuing your teaching and learning and ensuring you achieve your qualifications. Due to the disruption to face-to-face learning this year, awarding bodies are announcing changes to the way they assess and award their qualifications. We are working with Welsh Government, all colleges across Wales, and awarding bodies to provide the most supportive and appropriate solutions for this. We're keeping you as up to date as possible about what this means for you and your course, with emails to your CAVC student email, information on our website, and your teachers will also be speaking to you as they get that new information. So here's what we know at this point. The Welsh Government recently announced that all learners studying for qualifications Wales approved GCSE, AS and A levels this year will receive grades determined by their school or college based on work each learner has covered and completed by the end of this academic year. At CAVC, we do believe this is the most appropriate and supportive decision for you, and we'll work with you all to support this. Further detailed information on this can be found on the COVID-19 page of our website, and your course tutor will provide you with specific details and requirements for your courses as they have it over the next few weeks. No further announcements have yet been made by vocational awarding bodies. We are working with Welsh Government, all Welsh colleges and those individual awarding bodies to support the best and most appropriate solution for all learners undertaking these qualifications. We do remain committed to continuing to teach and support you all to develop knowledge, skills and progress in your individual qualifications to the best of your abilities, and we'll communicate any further updates or announcements as soon as we have them by student email, your course tutor, and on the COVID-19 page of our website. This is a difficult time for everybody. We'd love to be welcoming you back onto campus, but it's important that we all keep following guidance to keep ourselves and each other safe. We also appreciate that everyone has their own challenges at this point. You may be learning in a busy home, you might be looking after children at home, working through the pandemic, or you may be alone with little support. Whatever your situation, we are here to support you. Please keep talking to us. Speak to your course tutor if you need advice or have any concerns. And remember, we have fantastic support services who can also help you. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, carry on working hard, and we'll see you next time.